Are you willing to let creative love have its way in you today? The creative love that is the essence of all of the universe is creative in us with ideas, with imagination, with the images that get created in our inner being and in the way that we express in the world, and the loving kindness that flows through, and the ways to find infinite resources that guide and lead us each moment to innovative and exciting ways of being and doing. As we open our heart to the creative love of the universe that is always flowing through us, it is a fascinating experience to see all the ways that creative love finds its way in, through, and as new and exciting creative expressions. Let your life be guided by that love that is within you, that is creative in every way, in every moment, and knows all things are possible. We'll explore some of this further as we look at how the universal laws support this creative love, how the Christ consciousness that we are is celebrating creative love in every moment when we allow it to have its way in us. Come join us this Sunday at Unity Bay Area, Houston, 1911 Highway 3 South in League City, Texas. I'm Reverend Kyra here, delighted to share creative love with you. Oh, let's just see how creative we can be with that. Looking forward to it. Blessings all. Bye-bye.